Hello, Virgo. Welcome to your reading. So, this is for May 21st to May the 23rd. No? Virgo, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. So, kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. So nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Pero kung wala po kayong time, meron naman po dito sa video na ito sa comment section, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung feeling nyo, hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box ng video na ito, may link po yun. No, click the link, you will be routed to my page. And then, nandun po yung form. Meron po tayo for 1 question, 2 questions. We also have a promotion ng 4+1. No? Just make sure to follow the instructions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dito din po yun sa description box. No, same thing. Click the link, and you will be routed to my page for the personal reading. Ayan. So Virgo, this is a general reading. All right. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Did I say Taurus? No, this is for Virgo. No, Virgo. Magsimula na tayo. No, Virgo, parang naguguluhan ka, parang sabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto ko munang manahimik. Ayoko muna ng sakit sa ulo, ayoko muna ng gulo, ayoko munang makipag-usap. No? In the past few days, parang deprived ka, no, ng tulog. So baka wala kang masyadong tulog, kakaisip, hindi mo na alam yung gagawin. No? Pwedeng kumakausap na rin tayo ng mga friends natin. No? Humingi tayo ng payo, humingi tayo ng linaw. Baka kaya ka rin nandito, no, Virgo, of course, wanting to seek for enlightenment. No? With the time for a nap here, it's okay na magpahinga, it's okay na isang tabi muna, no, itong mga nangyayari-yari dahil if I'm not mistaken, medyo nandun na tayo, naapektuhan na ang ating mental health. With regards to a lot of questions in here, baka iniisip mo rin, no, kami pa ba? Dapat ko na ba siyang iwan? Dapat ko pa bang i-pursue? Or, you know what, manahimik talaga muna ako, no? I feel like with the Ten of Swords in here, Knight of Swords, the Empress. So parang feeling ko may pride dito na nangyari. Parang meron ding pabigla-bigla tayong desisyon na nangyari na kumbaga ginawa, no? With the King of Pentacles in here, feeling ko susuyuin ka naman niya, no? Sinusuyo ka na niya or susuyuin ka na niya, pero you don't know kung talaga bang totoo itong panunuyo niya sa'yo. No? With the Lovers, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, Virgo, kung meron mang separations dito, whether it is a physical or energetic separation, no? Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, different barangay, different barrio. That's the physical separation. Energetic separations, hindi po kayo masyadong nag-uusap, hindi po kayo masyadong nagpapansinan. Whereas dito naka-block pa. No, susuyuin kayo. And this person is going to work on your connection and your relationship. I feel like may nabigla lang. No? Siguro itong misunderstanding na ito na siguro ang isa sa pinaka-worst na nangyari, pinakamatagal na separation ninyo. Nakakakita ko dito na kailangan lang ng konting time, no? Para maipahinga ang isip, konting time para maipahinga ang katawan. Ang nakikita ko kasi dito with the Two of Wands, sandali lang naman itong separations ninyo, pero magpapaliwanag siya at susuluhin ka niya. And I feel like meron nga ditong regalo. It's either material, no? Or pwedeng pagkain din yung favorite food mo, or something energetic na gagawin ko na yung gusto mo, no? So, makikipag-ayos naman siya, makikipagbate, at aayusin itong relasyon ninyo. So, this is your reading for now. Tignan natin ang zodiac sign, no? Virgo, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Gemini, Pisces, I'm also seeing Taurus, baka kaya Taurus yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Sagittarius is also here. So, this is your reading. Again, para po sa mga bago, no? Don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, doon po lang sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Pwede rin po kayong magtanong dito as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And meron din po tayong form, no? Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, make sure to follow the instructions. We have form for 1 question, 2 questions, up to 5 questions. Actually, we have a promotion, no? 4 plus 1. So take advantage of that. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun din po yun sa link, no? Sa description box. So, thank you so much, Virgo. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading.